The distance between 2 points, whether they are aligned horizontally or vertically, can be determined using the distance formula. D is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 quantity square plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 quantity square, in which x sub 2 and x sub 1 are called the x coordinates, y sub 2 and y sub 1 are y coordinates. Okay, let's have an example. Say, find the distance between point A and point B. Point A is located at the coordinates 1 and 6, and point B is located at the coordinates 5 and negative 2. So, given the working equation, say, let's first set our x coordinates. We know that in point A, in point A, the x coordinate is 1. Say, this is now our first coordinate. Or should I say, first x coordinate. Dun sa kabila naman, point B, ang kanyang x coordinate is 5. So, ito na yung ating second x coordinate. So, substituting it inside our formula. So, x sub 2 will be positive 5 minus x sub 1 is 1 quantity square. Okay? Plus, next, 6 here is our y coordinate. So, siya yung first y coordinate natin. And negative 2 dito is yung second y coordinate natin. So, y sub 2 is, substitute lang, negative 2 minus ang ating first y coordinate is 6. Okay? Next. Ayusin lang natin ng ating square. Okay. So, after substituting, proceed with the operation. May square siya dyan. So, 5 minus 1 is 4. Plus, negative 2 minus 6 is negative 8 quantity square. Okay? So, 4 square is 16 plus negative 8 square, that is negative 8 times negative 8, that is positive 64. Okay? And 64 plus 16 is 80. Square root of 80. So, if we will simplify 80, think of a number, think of the factors of 80 in which one is a perfect number. And that is 16 and 5. Tama? So, dali, usog natin siya dito. Sige, dito na lang siya. So, this is square root of 16 times 5. And square root of 16 is 4 square root of 5. So, or approximately, the distance between point A and point B is 8.94 units. Ako lang ng 9. 8.94 units. So, that's how you apply the distance formula. Let's have another example. Say a map showing the locations of different municipalities and cities drawn on a coordinate plane. Each unit on the coordinate plane is equivalent to 6 kilometers. Suppose the coordinates of Mabini City is 2 and 2, and Santa Lucia Town is 6 and 8. What is the shortest distance between these two places? So, tingnan natin yung map. So, here's the map of the different municipalities and cities which are drawn into a coordinate plane. Now, Mabini City is located at the coordinates. Yung distance pala, what is the shortest distance between the two? Is this the shortest distance? Punta ka nandoon? Or pwede ring daan ka ng Santa Ara to Santa Lucia, ganyan, Or Mabini, tapos mag-shortcut ka doon, pumunta ka doon. Yun ba ang shortest distance natin? Hindi. Actually, the shortest distance from Mabini to Santa Lucia is this direction. Okay? Now next, Mabini City. The coordinates of Mabini City is located at 2 and 2. And the coordinates of Santa Lucia is 6 and 8. So using the distance formula, let's first identify which is which. So yung 2 dito will be our first x coordinate. And yung doon, yung 6 naman will be your second x coordinate. So, waitan lang natin ng 6 minus 2 quantity square plus ito ang ating first y coordinate, ang 8 naman ang ating second y coordinate. So 8 minus 2 quantity square. So 6 minus 2, that is 4. 4 square plus 8 minus 2 is 6 square. So 4 square, that is 16, plus 6 square, that is 36. 16 plus 36, 52. So, ano yung factors ng 52? Na kung saan yung isa ay perfect number. We have 4n 13. 4 and 13. And the square root of 4 is 2 square root of 13. Or, that is approximately equal to 7.21 units. So, from Mabini, ano ba tayo dito? So, from, ayan, 7.21. So, yun na ba yung sagot natin? So, from Mabini to Santa Lucia, that is 7.21. Basahin ulit natin yung problem. Sabi niya, each unit on the coordinate plane is equivalent to 6 kilometers. Okay? So, kung ang distance natin is approximately equal to 7.21, so, para makuha natin yung distance from Mabini to Santa Lucia, yung nakuha nating distance dito, i-multiply pa natin siya sa 6 kasi every 1 unit, each unit is equivalent to 6 kilometers. Okay? So, 7.21 times 6 is equal to 43.26 kilometers. Okay? Therefore, this is 46. Therefore, the distance between Santa Lucia town and Mabini City is approximately 43.26 kilometers. So, yun yan. Okay? And with that, you will be answering activity 5. How far are we from each other? You will just be using the distance formula. Do not forget to show your complete solutions. And you're only going to answer items 1, 4, and 7 of page 241.